Welcome to the premises of Dr. Diva Patil School of Engineering. We have got a state of art infrastructure, and as we move towards this, you see a very good landscape here. Students can come here and have this little time relaxing in between their lectures. Now this is one of the innovative ideas, that is one bell has been put on here, so that students, whenever they are feeling very happy, they can express their willingness by ringing this bell. So this is a unique concept and very much liked by students. So this is our civil engineering department. We will just get inside. We are now in civil engineering department. He is Professor Sanjay Karodpati, a retired military personnel, who is also a head of the department. Now we will brief about his department.
Thank you, sir. I am Lieutenant Sanjay Karodpati, HOD Civil Engineering Department. I welcome you to Civil Engineering Department. Though our department has started quite new in 2010, however, we have a lot of credits to our department. We have produced university toppers from our department. Also, alumni are doing quite well in entrepreneurship and in government jobs. And we have also opened a consultancy in our department, which is providing consultancy to industries as well as various construction companies. This was just possible because we have a good blend of experienced professors who have an industrial background and also those who have excelled in their academics. We have state-of-art infrastructure, we have state-of-art laboratories with us, which will be just shown to you. Please let us go to our laboratories.
So this is our environmental engineering laboratory. We carry out tests of water and wastewater samples here. We also receive samples from industry for testing for the testing, and we also prepare samples for testing of the testing as per the curriculum requirement. Now she is Ms. Ragini here. She is a technical assistant here, and she helps students in carrying out the experiment. Ragini, which experiments are you doing at present?
So this is a COD experiment, chemical oxygen reactor.
You also have a theory of it, I suppose.
Yes.
So in short, you have all the equipments and chemicals ready for testing the industrial and research samples. That's very good. So this is our fluid mechanics lab. We give Professor Vivek Agrawal. Now he will show us his lab.
So welcome to the fluid mechanics lab. We have different apparatus to perform different practicals on this fluid mechanics lab. Generally, we will take practicals on the water, oil also. We have set up over here centrifugal pump, then turbines. You know the importance of turbine. To being a civil engineer, we require turbines for the generation of power. There is a very big apparatus that is known as plume apparatus. That is like an open channel flow. So water will flow in the channels. That means for irrigation canals we have seen practically. So we have approach of practical and theoretical. So student will explain about the practical things. Then we have a model on which we will perform here practicals that is related to wind. By giving wind pressure on model, we will see the drag and lift forces.
So this is our testing of material laboratory. We carry out testing of steel as well as concrete here in this laboratory. Also the testing which is related to the testing and consultancy sales, that is we bring contractors bring material, their material of construction to this laboratory, and we carry out required number of tests on the material, and we give the report, and against that we generate some revenue. So that revenue is utilized for maintenance of this lab. So this is the unique activity of our department in this college. And another aspect is we give hands-on training to the students. We involve students in actually carrying out the testing. So this gives them very good experience of the industrial background, which actually they are required to do in the practical field. So these are our machineries. This is compression testing machine. Now this is universal testing machine for finding out the tensile testing of the steel, that is steel rods.
Now let's bisect our telescope with using lenses. Okay, our prism is bisected, and after the bisection, tighten the vertical motion screw, thus the telescope will not move. After that, clear the crosshair. This is eyepiece which will clear our crosshair, and after that we have to focus our image, thus the prism will be clear to our telescope. So let's do it.
So now we are now into the computer lab. It is called as CAD lab. Basically the computer aided design is a core field of the civil engineering. We do training of this to students. And our computer based programs are as a part of the curriculum of the required for the industry experience. So we provide our students during this level. So we have set of computers as well as internet connection. And every student is given a separate computer. So they get first hand experience, and even we provide them other technical know-how also. So they get acquainted with all these computerized system and are able to do the design in computer, that is called as CAD lab.